Making sure your phone is in tip-top shape will help you get the most value for it when you trade it in. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're showing you how to check your phone's condition for trade-in eligibility. Let's dive right in. First, does your phone power on and stay on? If your phone does not turn on, or if it turns off right after powering on, this could make it ineligible for a trade-in credit or promotion. So we want to make sure it powers on like it should. Now, let's check to make sure your phone screen is damage-free. This means there are no visible chips, cracks, deep scratches, or any other damage. Next, we'll check to make sure there is no liquid damage. Now, most phones have an indicator sticker that can be found inside the phone, usually by popping out the SIM card tray, or it could be on the SIM card tray, or sometimes it's right inside the charging port. And last, you'll need to turn off your phone's location feature, which is called Find My iPhone on iOS or Find My Device on Android. And there you have it. Now you know the easy steps you need to take to make sure you get the most out of your old phone when you trade it in. You can always learn more about checking your phone's condition for trade-ins by stopping by your favorite T-Mobile store. Thanks so much for watching our trade-in video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.